they're saying that we owe over $5,000 in rent. But I know we don't owe that much. There's no way that we can pay that much money in 5 days. Because I'm the only income coming into our household right now. What are we supposed to do? What are these families supposed to do?
The clock is ticking on residents at an affordable housing complex in Pauls Valley. Management telling them they've got 5 days to come up with hundreds, in some cases even thousands of dollars of unpaid rent. The landlord says if they do not pay, they will be evicted. But many of the residents contacted us saying that they have made these payments. So legally, who has to prove it? And what rights do these renters have? KOCO took your questions to a local attorney tonight.
If you receive a notice that you have 5 days to pay, your other option is also to move during that 5 days. So you can pay or you can move. But if you don't do one of those things, you may end up in court.
5 days. That's the notice tenants at Pauls Valley Terrace were given this week. They were told they had to pay hundreds or even thousands of dollars by Monday. An attorney with Legal Aid Services of Oklahoma outlining how residents can fight this.
If the claims aren't substantiated, that's why it's important to go to court.
Eric Hallett says even if a tenant claims they don't owe the landlord any money, it is important for them to show up to their court date.
What I can guarantee you is if you don't go to court, you will lose.
Hallett says tenants should take all proof of payments and other documents they have and present it to the judge.
When the court calls your case, you will have an opportunity to show your evidence.
And while just showing up to court is important, Hallett says tenants who have representation in the courtroom have a 75% better outcome than those who are not represented by a lawyer.
It's really important that if you have the chance to talk to a lawyer, that you do it.
Hallett says landlords do have the burden of showing the court that the tenants owe the rent. They have to prove it, but the resident must be there to defend themselves. He said throughout Oklahoma's history, the court has largely only heard from the landlord.
Our laws are written in a way that favors the landlord, but tenants have lots of defenses, and we win cases all the time for tenants.
Now, if you've been following this story in our coverage here, the apartment manager refused to talk to us about this story yesterday. We will be back in Pauls Valley Monday, though. That is the deadline the apartment gave to these renters.